Today, I'm revealing a miracle treatment to heal your dry, cracked heels instantly. I challenge all of you to try this. Simply apply it nightly before bed, and you'll wake up to incredible results. This homemade balm is the ultimate solution for repairing extremely dry and cracked heels. If your mother or any family member is dealing with this issue, make sure to share this with them. If you've tried multiple lotions and treatments without any success, you're probably making one of these 5 mistakes that are stopping you from getting smooth, soft feet. But don't worry, because today I've got a game-changing solution that will get rid of your cracked heels in just 3 days. Yes, you heard me right, just 3 days. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix cracked heels with an easy, homemade balm made from 3 simple ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. Trust me, this balm works wonders, and you can have baby soft feet in just 3 days. So let's dive in. Before we get to our magical balm, I want to talk about the 5 common mistakes that are preventing you from getting rid of those cracked heels. Number 1. Please stop using harsh foot scrubs. Scraping your feet too aggressively can irritate the skin and make things worse. Number 2. Not moisturizing enough. If you're not moisturizing regularly, your skin will dry out and crack. Number 3. Wearing open-back shoes. Sandals or open-back shoes can expose your heels to too much pressure and environmental damage. Number 4. Please drink water. Dehydration or health issues can contribute to cracked heels, so it's important to address the root cause and drink water to stay hydrated. Number 5. Skipping foot care at night. The night is the best time for your feet to heal, and skipping this crucial step will delay the process. Now let's get into the good stuff. The homemade balm that will fix your cracked heels. All you need are 3 simple ingredients: Vaseline or petroleum jelly, lemon juice, fresh only, Vicks Vapor Rub. These ingredients work together to deeply hydrate, exfoliate, and heal your skin. Vaseline or petroleum jelly. This is a must-have for cracked heels because it's an incredibly powerful moisturizer. It creates a thick barrier over your skin, which helps lock in moisture for hours, preventing your feet from drying out and cracking further. Plus, it helps soften hard, rough skin. It's perfect for deep hydration, which is what cracked heels need the most. Now, why lemon juice? Well, lemon is a natural exfoliant, helping to break down the dead skin on your heels without being too harsh. It also has antibacterial properties that can help prevent infections, and it has vitamin C, which boosts collagen production, helping your skin repair itself faster. Just make sure to use fresh lemon juice, don't use the bottled stuff, as it can be diluted and less effective. And last but not least, Vicks Vapor Rub. Now, this might surprise you, but Vicks is actually an amazing ingredient for cracked heels. Why? It contains menthol, eucalyptus oil, and camphor, which together have a soothing, healing effect. Vicks helps with circulation, reduces inflammation, and encourages the healing of dry, cracked skin. Plus, it just smells great, and it works wonders overnight. Now that we know why these ingredients are so awesome, let me show you how to make the balm. Take a bowl and add about 2 tablespoons of Vaseline or petroleum jelly. Next, add 2 to 3 drops of fresh lemon juice. Finally, add a small amount of Vicks Vapor Rub, around a teaspoon should do. You don't need too much, just enough to mix in. Mix everything together until it forms a smooth balm. That's it, you've got a homemade solution to treat your cracked heels. Now, the key to making this work is consistency. You need to apply this balm every night before bed for 3 days straight. Start by washing and drying your feet thoroughly. You want to remove any dirt or dead skin so that the balm can really get absorbed into the skin. Now take a generous amount of the balm and massage it into the affected areas of your heels. Gently rub it in with your fingers, focusing on the cracked areas. Don't rush this. Give your feet a little massage. Once the balm is fully absorbed, put on a pair of socks. This helps lock in the moisture and ensures the balm stays in place while you sleep. Do this every night for 3 days before bed, and you should start to see after very first use. Your heels will become softer, the cracks will start to heal, and your feet will feel more comfortable overall. Remember, consistency is key, and if you want to keep your feet looking smooth long term, make sure to moisturize daily and avoid those 5 mistakes I mentioned earlier. So there you have it. A simple, affordable, and effective way to get rid of cracked heels in just 3 days. If you've tried this remedy, let me know how it worked for you in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe to the channel for more easy DIY beauty tips. I'll see you next time with another awesome remedy.